Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best GPS speedometers on Amazon. Sometimes, the factory speedometer isn't an option. Maybe you're trying different wheel and tire combinations that throw off calibration. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Joiker C60's Universal Digital GPS Speedometer. Joiker's speedometer has a green digital display on a black background, so it's easy to read. It displays speed in miles and kilometers and features a single push button for operation. It also computes total driving time and distance and is powered with a USB cable. The gadget is compatible with all cars and trucks. The plug-and-play installation makes it a breeze to set up, and it's very simple to use. It has a sensor that adjusts the brightness of the display for better visibility at night and during the day. An overspeed alarm issues an audio and visual alert to warn you when you're speeding, and the instructions are very clear. Unfortunately, it has a lag when you're speeding up or slowing down, which may produce false readings. What we like about it? Universal. Simple installation. Easy to use. Affordable. What don't we like about it? Built-in alarm is finicky. No data storage. Number 2. Motor Meter Racing Pro Series 6-Gauge Set GPS Speedometer. Motor Meter Racing's 6-gauge set is available in a blue-red digital display, as well as a white or black dial. All gauges have a convex glass lens surface. The gauges display vehicle speed, voltage, fuel level, water temperature, oil pressure, and engine RPM. The speedometer is 85 mm and shows a range from 0 to 140 miles per hour. This set comes with nearly everything you need for installation except the wiring. The gauges are good quality, accurate, and easy to install. The backlighting is good and ranges from bright to dim. They look good and are great for restomod projects and custom applications, and are popular with hot rodders and weekend racers. What we like about it? Quality construction. Comprehensive set for restoration restomods. Simple installation. What don't we like about it? Limited compatibility. Expensive. Number 3. Elling Universal MPH GPS Speedometer Odometer. Elling's no-frills GPS speedometer includes a GPS speed sensor and comes with a multi-plug socket and an installation manual. It's compatible with all types of vehicles, including boats and motorcycles, and shows the current speed as well as total mileage. It has a black faceplate, a red backlight, and can be mounted on or underneath the dashboard. This speedometer has a good construction and is fairly straightforward to install. It is waterproof and dustproof and features curved glass with anti-fogging properties. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. One downside with this unit is that it's only an odometer, not a trip meter. It also loses the connection occasionally and works best if there's a clear view of the sky. It can also take a while to acquire a GPS signal. What we like about it? Quality construction. Simple installation. Can be mounted in dash. Affordable. What don't we like about it? Spotty operation at times. Slow startup. Number 4. AceCar F8 Universal Car HUD Dual System Head-Up. The AceCar speedometer is designed for car enthusiasts and features a high-definition LCD screen that displays driving speed, engine RPM, fuel consumption, water temperature, voltage, turbine pressure, inlet pressure, and more. It also features an OBD diagnostic trouble code, a brake performance test, and engine data readings. This HUD is very easy to use and has simple plug-and-play installation. It features a single button that helps you navigate through different interfaces, and overall the display is very clear. When you speed, the beeps it makes are clear and repetitive, but they're not so persistent that it's annoying. The unit is also small, so it doesn't take up too much space on your dashboard, and it's very accurate. It has a very sleek and cool-looking design and adds character to your vehicle. What we like about it? Quality construction. OBD diagnostics data display. Simple installation. What don't we like about it? Limited compatibility. Some date lags. Number 5. Latnex Universal Digital GPS Speedometer. Latnex's GPS speedometer is designed for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, and boats. In addition to speed, it displays the time in a 24-hour format and has a voltage indicator. The device has 2 bolts on the back that will mount to any flat surface. This speedometer is very quick and simple to install. What we like about it: quality construction. Waterproof housing opens up use for different applications. Simple installation. What don't we like about it? Data functions can see improvements. Poor instructions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.